Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make salad kale. First, let's prepare our star ingredient. Begin by removing the tough, fibrous stems from your fresh kale leaves. Simply tear the leafy greens away from the center rib. Next, give the kale a thorough wash under cool, running water to remove any dirt. Finally, it's crucial to dry the kale completely. A salad spinner works wonderfully, or you can pat it dry. This ensures your dressing adheres perfectly. Now for the secret to tender, delicious kale salad, the massage. First, tear your clean, dry kale into bite-sized pieces. Then drizzle about 1 tablespoon of good quality olive oil over the greens. Add a small pinch of salt, roughly 1/4 of a teaspoon. Now get your hands in there and gently massage the kale for about 2 to 3 minutes. This breaks down the tough fibers, making it incredibly tender and much more enjoyable to eat. It's a game changer. Every great salad needs a fantastic dressing, and this one is simple yet flavorful. In a small bowl, whisk together 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Next, incorporate 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard and 1 finely minced clove of garlic for a lovely zing. Season with about 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt and a pinch of freshly ground black pepper. Once thoroughly combined, pour this vibrant dressing directly over your beautifully massaged kale. It's going to be delicious. Now for the final steps to complete your perfect kale salad. Gently toss the kale and dressing together, ensuring every single leaf is beautifully coated. This is also the ideal time to add any optional toppings you love, such as crunchy toasted nuts, sweet dried cranberries, or crumbled feta cheese. Let the salad rest for about 5 to 10 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld. Then serve your incredible, tender kale salad immediately and enjoy.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.